Michael James Totoy Mola Orozco, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. uh, Kanigid ang pinakakalma nako nga amigo sa Belpal. 20, I think we've been friends for 27 years, if I'm not mistaken, since first year high school pa. And sa all the memories of friendship, si Mike gyud ang pinaka-relax na mo tanan sa barkada. And usa sa pinakabuutan pod. And I wish you more blessings and sa paman naman nimo tanan, more blessings and healthy life, longer life, para ma-enjoy pa nimo ang imong mga blessings, and especially yung mga kids nimo. And hopefully magkita ta soon, kasi murag taon na kita nakita. Amping permi, and have a good one on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mike. Growing up, I have always looked up to you. Kamo nila Atimi. I've always admired how you transition from one place to another, and yet you managed to adapt and make do of whatever was given to you. I may not have seen it all the pains, heartaches, sacrifices, but seeing where you are today, Kuya, kamo nila Atimi, made us aspire to do better and to continue doing our best in our chosen paths. We are so blessed to have known such a generous soul, a role model we could all look up to, and an inspiration we could all aspire to become. I am so lucky and grateful to get a chance to call you my Kuya, Kuya Mike. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything. May it be big or small. Always know that we appreciate it all. My wish for you as you celebrate your 40th birthday, Kuya, that God may grant all your heart's desires, because I know that whatever they are, they come from a good place and a good heart. Love you, ya. Happy birthday.
Maiko! Happy birthday, Mike. Hope you have many more birthdays to come. Praying for good health, no, for you, your wife, and your kids, no. And when magkamulig si Bu Mike, bitaw, keep safe always and rock on.
Mike, nagtanaw ko YouTube. Unya, kabaw lagi sila birthday ni mo. Sila gaingon yung birthday ni mo. Awa. Kaya abin ako, binuang kay Miko lang. Tuwa lang ako. Buang nga ang sunod tanawa.
Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday.
Murag ikaw na dyan. Imuha na dyan birthday kay Michael. Mutuwa na lang ako nag-YouTube. Tanaw ko salida. Mabitaw niya ang salida. Daan ko palagi birthday niya mo. Well, September 9, birthday ni mo. Tagnaon ako. Tagnaan gaya ni YouTube. Happy birthday, Mike. And, you know, they say 40 is the new 20. So, happy 20th birthday. More power sa career, sa showbiz diya sa Australia. And, God bless to you and your family. Happy birthday, Mike.